Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 5.1 question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Before solving this question, you have to know that what is supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then each of the angle is known as supplement of one another. Right? If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then two of the angles are supplement of one another, right? Therefore, you can write here, you see the first angle is 105 degree, right? The first angle is 105 degree. Now, that means to find the supplement of the angle, supplementary angle can be written as here, we are writing supplementary angle is equal to supplementary angle supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree minus given angle 180 degree minus given angle. Now question 1 is the given angle is 105 degree, right? Therefore supplement of angle supplement, therefore you can say that supplement of angle 105 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. If you subtract this angle, that is 180 minus 105, subtract it 5 carry 1, that is 75 degree. That comes to 75 degree. Therefore you can say that supplement of 105 degree is 75 degree, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is the given angle is given 87 degree. Therefore supplement of angle supplement of angle 87 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 87 degree. If you subtract this 180 minus 87, we are getting 180. We will subtract this one 180 minus 87, 7, that is 3, 8 plus 1 9, that comes to 93 degree. That comes to 93 degree. Right? Now question number 3 is, it is given as 154 degree. Therefore you can say supplement of the angle, supplement of angle 154 degree, 154 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 154 degree, 54 degree, and that will come to, if you subtract 154 from 180, here we are subtracting, this is 180, this is 154, 6 carry 1, 5 1 6, 7, 8, 26. It comes to 26 degree, right? That means we know that supplementary angles means if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, we can say they are supplementary of each other. Therefore, supplementary angle we can say as 180 degree minus given angle. In first case, the angle is 105 degree. Therefore, supplement of angle 105 is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree, that is 75 degree. And number 2 is supplement of angle 87 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 87 degree, that comes to 93 degree. And question number 3 is supplement of angle 154 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 154 degree is equal to 26 degree. This is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 5.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.